Oh nuts! Oh nuts! The music weapon. Oh, the music. The music. Louis. Ian, good evening. Hey virus. Look out for Zil. Okay, I'll take a look. I'll probably get back in if you ask me to look for it. Gary, good evening. Dan, good evening. Noah, good evening. William, good evening. Hello, guys. I'll take a look at Zil. Before we even get started, I'll take a look. Come on. Let's go. Go, go. Go, go. Hey, Michelle. Hey, yo. This is gonna be anyways, 1 second here. These things are weird to me. Like the speculation is weird to me. I don't know why it is, but it is. This is almost like Mad Wallace esque. But we'll see where this goes, right? We just have fun with this and see where it goes. Unbelievable. Let me see here. Now Microsoft is slow hiring, blah blah blah. Time to that's funny. I'm just quickly putting out a thing on Twitter here. Nah. La, 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 la. Let's see. Already. What's the Tesla price at? So Tesla closed after hours. Well, it's not closed yet after hours, but Tesla is currently sitting at 753.30. 753, right? So it rallied a little bit. So again, all the way from 777 something, all the way back down to 740 ish, back to 750. So pump, dumped all the way back down, and then a little bit of a rally. So it's basically still, yeah, a little bit of a climb from the level that we left it at, Gary. So we'll see what it does tomorrow, and then go from there. So speculation, guys, right? Someone mentioned this in the chat, and the whole chat went crazy with it. And some of you guys got in and actually made some nice monies. I know someone in the chat put $1,000 in Doge and actually made some monies because it rallied, right? So interesting, right? Interesting. The whole reason that you guys got really excited was because I mean, like they all sold off together, but then Dogecoin started rising with this speculation that Tesla was selling Bitcoin cause something about phase one complaining about Bitcoin not being clean enough. Phase two dump Bitcoin. Phase three take Doge to La Luna. Where's Doge at? Doge is currently sitting just around 7 cents here, right? So again, it's up a little bit from it's up 6% from when like this news came out. So 6 or 7%, whatever it is, right? We're back above 7 cents. We need to get back over 8 cents. That's the real goal here, right? Doge needs to get back above 8 cents. But anyways, right? So again, Tesla sold 75% of its Bitcoin, and Elon Musk says we have not sold any of our Dogecoin. Uh, Before we get into like again, a lot of this is rubbish and speculation and whatnot. Just so we get that out of the out there. This is just a hangout and right. Question for you guys in the chat though: do you guys truly believe that Elon has plans for Dogecoin? Let me know in the chat. Yes or no? Right. So we know again, Dogecoin was created to kind of make fun of Bitcoin, right? And Elon liked that about it, right? I guess, or maybe he had bigger plans back then as well. So yeah, let me know in the chat, yes or no. Do you think, believe that Elon has bigger plans, has plans for Dogecoin? You think that? Okay, so Nathan still did so. Well, the question is, did he buy back in? That's the real question. Did he get back in? That is the real question: to be or not to be in Dogecoin, right? So, I'm just waiting for your responses. I want to see what you guys think, and then we can go from there. Of course, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin still looks fine. Like we mentioned earlier, no, I think Elon just likes playing games. Yeah, Gary. Yeah, he does. He plays a lot of games, right? So I think it's a fun project for him to play with. Yeah. Um, I can't. Elon can Elon can eat the Dogecoin. Michelle, this is like your favorite project. I can't. Elon can eat a Dogecoin. No, 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 no. Again, Elon probably wanted to save Tesla, right? Save Tesla. So they had to get rid of something else to kind of, something that wasn't performing anyways, with a lot of speculation for more downside. They're like, you know what? Let's get rid of some of this and protect this baby so we can, yeah, you never know. Again, I do think Elon plays a lot of games though. If we take a look at this, ooh, did we just have that one candle? Interesting. Interesting. Anyway, so that's Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is slowly drifting away. It's still holding $23,000 though, which is impressive. I'm not overly concerned about Bitcoin for now. Again, the best thing you can do is, like Gary said in Discord, just give it time, right? If for some reason now Bitcoin turns around and says, and you take a look at these bigger time frames, and we're just slowly selling off, and the pressures, the momentum is dead. It's not thrusting anymore. Okay, cool. Bye bye, right? So um, you know what I mean? So Bitcoin still looks fine there. So again, $23,000. It's still holding a lot of these gains from the whole week, right? So smart drinks in this grub and in this grandpa. And said that. Yep. No, he actually said. I don't know. This was a while ago though. I don't think this the part where he says. We haven't sold any Doge yet. Is new. We know he said this though, right? Can't remember where he said this. It's not recent, I don't think. Right? So, but again, Elon says we haven't sold any Dogecoin. I want to see what this article says. So Tesla has converted approximately 75% of its Bitcoin into fiat currency. The cryptocurrency sales left the electric car company holding assets worth about 218 million, right? So they got rid of like 900 and something $1 million worth of Bitcoin, and they have that much left. That's still a lot of monies. I know it's not a lot for but that's a lot of money's left in there, right? So we are certainly open to increasing our Bitcoin holdings in the future. We are, Elon Musk has said we have not sold any of our Dogecoin. Did he say that today? Like all of this in one go? Huh. Interesting, actually. I thought this was like a snippet from like an old interview. Interesting. Elon says we are selling Bitcoin. We have not sold any of our Doge yet. My question is, how much Doge? Like, how much is the Doge worth though? $1 million. Needs child support money, Robert. Elon needs child support money. Um, I bet you this. So Elon Musk, blah 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 blah. Wednesday. Okay, cool. As of okay, so they sold about 936 million dollars worth of to cash to add it to our of cash on our balance sheet, right? So again, that's the whole intention there. That's why they're doing it, right? So they're selling a little bit of Bitcoin because I mean the market is struggling, right? So to kind of again preserve Tesla, right? So at least the balance sheet for Tesla. Um, Interesting. $126 billion in the previous quarter. The company said its year-on-year opening. Okay, cool. Yeah, again, that Bitcoin was worth about entirely was worth about $1.26 billion, and so these guys basically, I think you mentioned that as well, Gary. They basically sold it for break even. They're like they used the hot trades, some of the hot trades strategy, right? You get into a position. Once it rallies, you set a stop loss at break even, but then you move that stop loss higher, right? So these guys didn't do that. They set the stop loss at break even, and they waited and waited, 69, and then crashed. They're like, yeah, yeah, yeah. This Doge a line item on the balance sheet. Yes, and right beside it, it says "to the moon." That's what it says, Michelle. I'm just quickly reading some of this stuff here. Don't really care what they've done there. Right. He into July last year that it owned about 42,000 bitcoins. Blah 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 blah. Resume accepting Bitcoin when the confirmation of reasonable about. Okay, cool. That's just old news. Increasing our Bitcoin hold in the future should not be taken as some verdict. We are certainly open to increasing our Bitcoin holdings in the future. So this should not be taken as some verdict on Bitcoin. It's just we were concerned about our overall liquidity for the company, right? Given COVID shutdowns in China, we have not sold any of our Dogecoin. Like whenever I see like when I see whenever I see at the bottom where it says we have not sold any Dogecoin, I keep thinking like these guys had to have like fake that and copy that from somewhere. I don't know. Um, blah 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 blah. There's a whole lot of this, honestly. Yeah, just wanted to quickly take a look at that. Here you go. You guys, do you have any questions? Why does he have to say anything? Just run his business like any other institution investor. Yeah, I uh, I think again, I think he's very like we keep calling him like Elon the criminal. Uh, I Interesting. I got rid of that Matic shorts. Uh, Got rid of that Matic short. Because I again like it just looks like we are kind of finding a base, kind of. But then here we go for everything. Everything is going back to the abyss. Like oh lordy, lordy, lordy. I had to get rid of my Matic shorts. What does Dogecoin have to do with shutdowns and lockdowns? I don't know, Michelle. Exactly. That's my question. Why does this line keep coming up? That's what. Whenever I see that line, we have not sold any of our Dogecoin yet. I'm like, so like, what are you saying? What are you saying? Are you just playing more games, or like, is that article actually like true? Did he actually say that, or you know what I mean? Like, the fact that he has to keep saying that. Yeah, we know why he sold Bitcoin, to kind of save the company, right? Because without that monies, I bet you Tesla sells off today after earnings, because they didn't sell enough cars, right? That's if they made enough cars. Um, so, anyways, interesting. Hmm. Might have to make a decision there or whatever. Anyways, yeah, Dogecoin really isn't doing it. So like, Dogecoin is not doing anything for now. He hasn't earned criminal status. That's a special badge. Sounds good. Oh no, he hasn't. Yeah, just some of the things he does. They're very highly calculated, Gary. So. Anyways, yeah, Dogecoin really isn't moving on its own for now, right? It's not really. It might outperform the market if we rally from here, right? Doge might do it. That might perform better because it really hasn't had that run yet, and it was kind of doing that today, right? When the market recovered from that sell off, Dogecoin was up 6%, right? It recovered quicker than most, right? So that's really interesting. But yeah, again, it's still connected to Bitcoin. It's not like, oh my goodness, this article sort of all of a sudden made Doge do something special. It hasn't quite yet, right? So if you're holding Dogecoin, guys, in the chat, just type in yes. I just want to see, right? If you're holding some Doge, type in yes in the chat. Where's Nathan when we need him, guys? To decipher Elon's cryptic messages. Also, what's Mad Wallace saying? Is that his name? Yeah, I think so. What is he saying? He's saying "A la Luna, a la Luna." Sadly, yes. Gary says yes. Michelle is holding like 50% of the supply. Uh, you couldn't. Michelle says I couldn't give that away. Well, I will take it away from you, Michelle. William would take it away from you. William says sadly yes. I know there are a lot of like I know there's a lot more of you guys holding it. Did you use bot trade on KuCoin? No, I don't have KuCoin Moneymaker, so I can't use it. I don't have that. What does it do? What does bot trade do on KuCoin? Does it do scalps for you? Or what? What does it do? La 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 la. United in Doge. Let's go. Interesting. Yes, pour me whiskey. Heyo. And but a bargain prices, bargain prices. What are these bargain prices you and William bought at? Um, Bargain prices. I do wish the Dogecoin was performing to this, right? Kind of with a little bit of hype. There might be still. That would be really exciting, really really exciting. So yeah, we'll see. Crypto does look really weak tonight, though, right? As you can see again, Dogecoin's chart looks very similar to everything else we're looking at, right? Again, that's Dogecoin. This is Bitcoin, same, right? That's Matic, same, right? So it's all the same for now, all connected, all moving very slow tonight. Again, I hope that Bitcoin news, Elon's news hasn't killed the momentum, right? So that's the last 5 minutes, right? Everything is red bubbles everywhere. uh, Daily. Of course, a lot of these names have sold off, right? The last 15 minutes here, yeah, everything's red, right? The last week, though, it's monies, right? ETH Classic is up 64% the last week, um, right? So LDO's up 52%, so that's done really well. Matic has obviously done really well. Ape has done really well. ETH has done exceptionally well. right? So there are a lot of names on here that have actually performed, right? So what I'm looking for is Doge. Okay, Doge is up 14% this week. 14%, right? Doge is a slacker. It needs to perform. It needs to do better, right? So what Elon means is buy Dogecoin. That's what Elon means, so Gus. I for the second time session. Okay, sounds good. Virus, uh, go hard, and we'll see you. I'll see you later. Good night, Virus. Good night. There you go. Anyways, I like to see, like, I would like to take a look at Twitter and kind of see what's going on there, like the madness. So you know what? I'll do that right now, actually. Let's see. I just want to see what's happening on Twitter. I want to see the type of craziness that's happening on there. Like for Dogecoin, I want to see people are actually like, hi Christy, hey yo, how are you, Christy? Right? How are you? How are you? Hi. So yeah, they sold that much. Blah blah blah. You test the balance sheets. Alrighty, you guys ready for this craziness? Ready, ready, ready? Okay, cool. Uh, okay, rubbish. Someone says that's good news for Dogecoin. Someone says to the moon. Right, there's not a whole lot of substance here, honestly. There's not a whole lot here. Nah, Dogecoin trading. Okay. Holding for asset touching long-term potential. Okay, cool. Elon's space says SpaceX will accept Dogecoin for some merchandise. Okay, blah blah blah. I got a little bit of Dogecoin all over. Okay, people are genuinely buying Dogecoin. Can't wait to buy Dogecoin on the Doge card. Okay, blah blah blah. And the created and the Dogecoin created by a comedian. Nah. Unbelievable. Yeah, there's nothing cool here. You can kind of tell though, like now we have spams waiting for ETH to go under 1,000. Yeah, you can kind of tell before, like when Doge had that hype, you could see spams everywhere. Like, oh my goodness, core is now released with a number of improvements in. Interesting. Interesting. Update for any. Interesting. Forgetting that they even had. Someone says the whole reason why Doge Elon keeps right. Elon keeps saying we haven't sold any Doge is because the value is so small. They probably forgot they have it. Of course, all the crypto criminals are guarded here. Let's go, Hugh. Right. So yeah, the value is so small. They completely forgot about Dogecoin. So it's interesting. Interesting. Hey Hugh, how's your night? Check out my Twitter BK for the official recording for why Elon sold BTC. It's on the comment section on your recent post. I mean, we know why he sold it though, right? They can spin the story like whatever, however they want, or not be honest with it. Elon has also said why they sold it in this article, right? That we've covered already. We know why they're selling Doge Bitcoin, right? Because they need monies, right? So again, the concern is lack of liquidity for Tesla, right? So that's why they're selling some Bitcoin. Also saying this doesn't mean they don't want Bitcoin. They might come back later. Wanted to take out the criminals, they'll just come onto our trades and clean it out at once. Criminals. Yeah, yeah. Right. So there you go. No, again, I really wish Dogecoin was performing to this news that we're getting. That would be amazing, but it really isn't, right? So we're just kind of chilling tonight here, which is fine, which is completely okay. I hope we get some type of a rally here tonight so we can celebrate Ala Luna, Doge Ala Luna. Remember those days, we had all these different phrases. Doge Ala Luna. That's Spanish for Doge to the moon. Doge for Gary. That's Greek for Doge to the moon. Doge Zumond. That's German for Dogecoin to the moon. Right? So, and then, no, and all these different phrases here. It was a lot of fun. Doge a la Luna, Christy. Doge a la Luna. Saturina, good evening. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Now we're just chilling in the abyss is what we're waiting for. Look at Dogecoin. Now where are you going? Go the other way. You useless goats. Other way. Still your favorite shirt, Christy? Let's go. Doge a la Luna. A la Luna. No, again, I hope we do rally at some point, right? Hopefully that this momentum actually kicks in. And then we rally at some point. But what can you do, right? Just wait. You know what I kind of wish? I wish I didn't get rid of my Matic shorts. Oi. Because I thought maybe we would get a little bit of a bounce. We're really not getting a bounce. Never been super chat pumps. Never been the same. Come on, I know, right? We need to get back to Gary. Gary's a top criminal to jail right away. When you search up jail in on Google, Gary's face pops up right away. No joke. Gary's face right over the screen. Ooh, that's me. Um, yeah, yeah. Let me take a look. Let me take a look at the technicals here for Doge a little bit. So if we take a look at the daily here, I mean, like Doge is obviously bounced a little bit here. That's 14%, right? Not as much as everything else has. It's failing at the 50-day moving average here, right? At 77072, blah 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 blah, right? So again, we know Doge is I don't know. In terms of technicals here, Doge is not going to do a whole lot of that because Doge is like catalyst based. 8 cents is a big level to watch. So we have these little levels to look at, like 8 cents, 10 cents, blah blah blah, right? So almost like every penny is a problem for Doge, but it's very much like a momentum driven coin, right? So momentum, hype, 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 right? So at least for now. So for now, until that hype resumes, right? The technicals are just gonna be a coin. Matic lives rent free. Matic lives rent free, Michelle. Rent free. It's because I wanted the monies. Wanted the monies, Michelle. Haven't found me yet. Always always cover your tracks. Always cover your tracks. So again, the next level I'd be looking for here, if we can hold 7 cents here is at 8 cent level. There is a lot of like support around that range. There's also resistance at that level, right? So that's if we can close above this. It's been a long time since we closed above that level, right? So all the way back in April here was the last time we closed above that 50-day moving average here for Dogecoin. So again, not really important. Pure momentum for now, right? So it needs excitement. It needs a catalyst. Like Doge needs a catalyst, right, to send it. It doesn't have one. You mental stops all day. No room moves. No. Who's shorting Doge, Gary? No, I don't know if anyone's shorting Doge here. Matic does look like it's ready to turn around on its own. Bitcoin is chilling here, not really doing a whole lot. Matic is slowly finding its support, right? It looks like it wants to go back up there, and it's been doing this a bit, so that's why I got rid of it for now. Uh, no, Michelle roast me hard, but I will. Don't worry, Hugh. Don't worry, Michelle. Watch your back. Watch your back. No, Matic is trying. Of 8260 there. Watch your back. Because do I need to put Michelle on the timeout? Yes, please. Yes, please. No, Matic does look like it wants to turn around there with on its own, right? Bitcoin is trying now. Dogecoin really isn't doing a whole lot here. I wanted to take a look at Zil. Cause Zil. Do we still have Tesla on here? Yeah, we do actually. Yeah, Tesla. Anyways, don't want to take a look. So Zil is I know you're still in Zil, right? Zil the thrill. Is it performing here? Is it performing? It's trying to now. Let me see what the bigger time frame here looks like the 30 minute. Zero the thrill, because again, I know we played with this thing yesterday or whenever that was, and it had a nice little pop up, right? So now it's just it's chilling, is what it's doing here. Not bad though, not bad. Anyways, yeah, Matic turning around, Bitcoin kind of looking to turn around as well. Some of these transactions here for these criminals, the top criminals are coming in, and we've been holding 23 all day today. Well, broke below, but rude. Is this just is just his inner guilty conscience showing? I showed nothing. I showed nothing. I know. I know, Gary. I just just waiting for the rally. So we have to kind of and when you know when you know disasters coming, Gary, whether that's in the stock market or the crypto market, you kind of have to like you try and hedge, uh, and that's what that is, right? Because you have long term plays. And you just don't want to lose money, so you kind of like you look for a way to benefit on the way down. That's what just the criminal way, isn't it? To the sun at night we go. Kirk, let's go. Yeah, look at these. Look at that. Look at these buys. Wow, it's a lot of green orders there. Um, and what's Bitcoin doing with that there? Yeah, it's thrusting a little bit there, right? So a little bit, right? And so's Matic. There goes Matic, right? Rebounding off that level there. So not bad at all, right? Not bad at all. Again, I wish Dogecoin would thrust to that as well, but Dogecoin is really, really slow. Like it's lost a lot of that confidence. Without the catalyst, it just doesn't have that juice yet, right? So they're gonna need something. Dogecoin needs to go to the sun at night, but they need a rocket first. They need a flashlight. They need something to help them get there. They don't have it. Did you that Matic pump? Oh, Christy loves Matic. Um, Christy's always in Matic. Uh, so is Crystal is always in Matic as well. It might be the CH. Uh, but yeah, yeah. Christy's always in Matic. She likes Matic. She's always ready for the thrusting. Um, so, maybe I should have gone. You should have gone long there, Gary. Go long. Kind of scuffed it on the way up, but I'm streaming. I don't like to do a lot of these things, like unless it's a longer term play. I just don't like to do it on stream because I can be quite rubbish. Anyways, what are these bubbles looking like here? Is that Sandbox? Why is Dogecoin the biggest red bubble on here in the last 5 minutes? Is my question. Dogecoin, why are you the biggest red bubble? Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe. Go long. No, if I wanted to go long, I'd go long at that level right there. Down here, not all the way up there. Not about to not about to not about to buy these green candles. Right, so I much rather I'd rather buy it all the way down there. What's the price prediction for the next 6 hours? Here we on. I mean, we're hoping for a recovery, right? We've had a nice sell off, um, right, from that news of Elon Musk, well, Tesla, and and selling Bitcoin. So hoping for a recovery tonight, and then see what happens tomorrow, right? So um, pause to handle your trades when you need to. Everyone here is family, no judgment. Let's go here. Yeah, okay, sounds good. Next opportunity. Next opportunity. Right, we're bouncing here. Surprise, surprise. No, not really. Right? Not really. Right. So we all kind of trying to bounce. Again, that's why I got rid of that Matic shorts because I want to see it bounce. And then I can kind of reconsider. Oh, I'm judging. I'm judging too, Gary. Oh, Gary's judging. Gary, like, what if I went long Matic? Would you judge? Would you judge, man? No, would you judge? Does Doge run off Ethereum? Doge runs off, let's say, Bitcoin, right? So just to crypto again, Bitcoin. Most things run off Bitcoin. So most things, most things run off Bitcoin. Not everything though. Doge runs off Bitcoin and hype, right? So but Doge loves hype more than Bitcoin. So right? Hence the reason why we've only gone up what 14%, while everything else is up like Matic is up what like 70%. Um, Everything else has had a nice rally. I know I'd applaud your confidence. Okay, sounds good. No, it's too late now. Um, even if we do rally to 90 whatever, it's too late there for that long, because we've had some boom boom candles of that support, right? So we are bouncing here. Bitcoin is bouncing, Matic is bouncing, crypto is bouncing, right? So Sandbox, interesting. Why is Sandbox up so much? Ooh, look at these bubbles. So again, this is the last 5 minutes here. You can see a lot of green on the list, and Dogecoin is the only red. Well, there's like three red bubbles on here, and Dogecoin is one of the red bubbles. Right? Again, as much as we speculate and talk about Dogecoin and this and that, Dogecoin needs hype. Is Dogecoin underrated? I don't think it is. I think I think it's fair for people to like kind of look for substance these days, right? I think it's fair for people to look for utility, right? So I don't think Dogecoin is underrated. They don't have any other than Elon, right? So they need something else. They need a catalyst, right? And then people get excited. Were you not watching Crystal pushing that hill? um, you wanted Manic to pump so you could have showed it? Yes, 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 Michelle. That's yeah, yes. Well, but like, what about that isn't clear? What about that is not clear? That I wanted to rally so I could well, we'll make the other decisions later, right? There's no hiding that. Um, what is the most valuable item that can be purchased with a Dogecoin? Some Tesla merch. Some Tesla merch. Take a look at their website. I'm sure there's some actually, that's not true. You can there's some of these dealerships will like sell you cars or sell you something for Dogecoin, right? So already short in Bitcoin Mash. Okay, good vibes. 21 124. Very nice. Good job. Was the most valuable thing you can buy with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu? No. Um, yeah, some of these dealerships will sell you cars with Dogecoin, right? At least that's what they said about it a few months ago. I don't know if they still accept Dogecoin. Uh, yeah, and these guys just wanted the exposure, right? All of these places. So come on, Doge, can you be like the biggest bubble on here? Like, is that too much to ask for? At least the Doge bubble is green, right? So is it possible for Dogecoin to surpass Polygon? Nope, not possible. dealerships, dealerships. That's right. That's right. No, yeah, they did follow the hype, Michelle. Right? They followed the hype, and I don't know if anyone actually ever bought Dogecoin with bought a car with Dogecoin. I bet you someone did, because Doge made a lot of people a lot of money, right? So I bet you someone said, yeah, well, because these guys are not just like they're not just that's just not just coming out of like thin air. Bet you someone went to them and say, "Hey, I want to buy but I have Dogecoin. I want to buy a car, but I have Dogecoin. Can you accept it?" They're like, "Ooh, cool. What's Dogecoin? Oh, it's pumping. Ooh, Elon is behind it. Oh, there's more room to the upside. Cool. We'll take your Dogecoin." And then yeah, the $100,000 worth of Dogecoin for the car became 25K or something. I don't know. They're like, oh, we just sold our car for what? Bring our car back. Yeah. Ever used? I don't know. Arion? I don't know. You'd have to ask Mad Wallace or something. I don't know. Yeah, Doge is again, it's really really slow, really really slow. Give me a coin to buy. Well, I gave you GMT. You slacked on it. What else? What else, Michelle? What else? You got into Matic, so that's nice. Well, you kind of got in late. Um, what else? You're on a burn clinic. Nothing. um, I don't know. You'd have to ask the chat. I don't have an opinion. Mm, I don't. I don't. I just hear stories and I see tweets. I don't really watch. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash, 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 smash. What's HNT actually here? 940. Yeah, that thing crashed. Back to the abyss. Back to the abyss. Yeah, Zill actually isn't looking too bad there, Iron. I wonder if you're still in there. Look at that. Shiba and Doge are moving together. Like Shiba's up what? Oh, Shiba just outperformed Doge. I was about to say, ooh, they're doing the same thing. Nope, Shiba just said, please don't put me in that group. I No, that's okay, Michelle. You needed some rest. Keep your eye out on Zella tomorrow, DJ. Zella, always, always, eyes always open for the monies. Always, always open. Let's see here. Yeah, no, Shiba's up 0.06, well, 0.6%. Doge is up 0.2%. So, yeah. Why is Waves up so much here on the last 5 minutes? 2%? Last 5 minutes? Yeah, Wave is always a quick mover. Wave is one of those highly volatile ones on the way up, on the way down. So is near. Interesting. Algorand is at 34 now. Oh, wait. 34. What happened to the music here? Did it just stop? Yeah, I did. Let me see if I can get the music going again here. See if I can get the music going. There you go. I'm not sure I understand your question. Arion? Not sure I understand your question. Uh, the answer is probably no. Probably not. Anything that has to do with that. Probably not. I still think we are in a bowl. Bowl in the bear. Bowl in the bear. You still think we yeah? You think we keep where do you think we rally to in this little bowl in the bear? Where do you think we rally to, Jason? I think we keep going. La la la. Is that the only article we had here? So that was a good read, right? Kind of a little bit. Again, and this one just kind of This one just kind of confirmed everything that was in the previous article. So again, it sold about almost $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. That's impressive, right? So uh, nah, right. So again, we talked about why they did it, right? So Twitter says, well, not Twitter, Tesla says, as of Q2, we have converted approximately 75% of our Bitcoin purchases into fiat currency. Conversions in Q2 added 936 million of cash to our balance sheet, right? So which was the whole plan there, the whole intention. 218. Okay, reported. La 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 la. Huh. Not to believe in getting the price high and selling like that. I would like to see Bitcoin succeed. Okay. Elon says I might pump, but I don't dump. Wow. Look at that, guys. Elon says I might pump, but I don't dump. What does that even mean? Can you see that? Yeah, you should be able to see that, right? He sold because he knows what's coming. Yeah, he needed monies for Tesla. I might pump, but I don't dump. I definitely do not. I definitely do not believe in getting the price. The price what? The price high and selling or anything like that. I would like to see Bitcoin succeed, is what he says. If you want to buy Matic with me and stream every time Blaze shorts it. Michelle says done. Unbelievable. Hey yo, John. Hey yo. Well done. What's going on? So you guys want to buy Matic every time I say I'm shorting it? You do realize he'd be at the bridge today? Um, let's see here. Um, this article makes no mention of like the like no mention. Did I see Zella? What did Zella do? He dumped it. It's like I might pump it, I don't dump it. Like what did you just do? What did you just do? You just sold Zella's up 5%, 16 cents after hours. Yeah, it's up a little bit, right? Yeah, it's up a little bit after hours. Yeah, we'll see if that holds tomorrow, right? So, why is Gary still awake? Gary, money doesn't sleep. He saw that today was only announced in earnings. No, exactly. No, this didn't happen today. Hi, Musty. This did not happen today, right? So, it never happens on the day of. Never, never, ever, ever, ever. Rarely, ever. Right. So for this to be recorded on the balance sheet there, it doesn't happen today, right? So this was just the announcement. This was just on the earnings report, right? And people reacted to that, right? So, and again, the fact that Bitcoin is still sitting all the way it is for now, above $23,000, is still quite impressive. And it should be a good enough reason for people not to be overly concerned, right? So, and then go from there, right? There shouldn't be a reason to really panic here. What are we shorting? Nothing. You? I think we're kind of sitting at a spot where like you have to kind of decide if like we sold off enough where like I might want to go like take a little scalp long, but I'm not confident, so I will wait for it to rally on its own and then or let it break below support, right? So we're just in that weird range where like you might have like if you're not short already, right? You miss a huge drop and right, and it's a little bit more dangerous, riskier here, right? So yeah, I mean, like so that's the problem. That's the problem, right? Mm. Hey yo, Stacy. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Tomorrow, when Tesla gets liquidity, or not, they don't dump, gets liquidity. Yeah, we'll see what Tesla does tomorrow. Right? We'll see. Again, it's still green after hours here. It's holding some of these gains from earnings, right? Yeah, so hopefully some good news tomorrow. I want to see the market send it tomorrow. Why? Because I want to see the market thrust tomorrow. It's never it's never it's never our intention for the market to go down. We if the market could go up forever, we would absolutely love that, right? So we don't want to see redness, and that should provide direction. Yeah, I think we're still in a weird spot though. For Bitcoin, let me take a look at BTC though. On the day on a bigger time frame here. So BTC, right? So obviously we had that nice dip earlier. So I'm going to take a look at the 30 minute here initially. So this is like the Twitter announcements, right? So we go from $24,000 and send it to the abyss, right? So I mean we didn't lose a whole lot, honestly, right? So we sold up to $23,000. So I guess make monies, Eric. Make those monies. So again, Tesla announces that they're selling 75% of the Bitcoin, right? And then we drop hard, really quickly, right? And we've been holding. So again, we are in a really weird spot. We're sitting below these moving averages. We're also finding support here just above $23,000, right? So again, you notice here on the 30 minute, right? You go back a bit, this level is also $23,000, right? Again, supported a close support there. Fast forward, support here, right? So even though we look weak and we're trending to the downside, which is what that looks like, right? So we're trending lower here, but we also have support like right there, right? So if you want to short a position, almost like you want to, right? Just the reason that we're trending lower makes you kind of want to like hesitate for a long position, right? But the fact that we're also sitting right at support here uh, makes you kind of like want to wait for a short position, right? So like both of them are just really weird. So that's the whole hesitation. If we start breaking out of this downtrend here on the 30 minute, right? Okay, cool. Maybe it's time for the main event. I'm just kidding. I don't know. To collect my puts in the morning, right, John? Yeah, that's if we don't rally tonight, right? So you know what I mean? Hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. 7-7 again, double top. Yeah, no, Tesla rejected at 777, double top there, and that's a problem, right? Have an announcement. What will happen when Tesla dumps? What do you mean, Bonnie? I'm not sure I understand. $936 million, Stacy. Right there. 936 million dollars. No. I mean, it's on their like on their balance sheet as well. Like if you take a look at the earnings tag report, it's on there somewhere, right? So one of these, this one here, right? So proceeds from sales of assets, right? So 936 million there. Yeah, so I think that's where I think again, John. I think you might be looking at the price now and doing the math. But they sold it earlier. I think they sold lower than what it is now, right? So especially for it to be on the balance sheet, you have to sell. So they probably sold at like a while ago, right? They took some little losses, sold a while ago, and then because they're getting ready for earnings, they're like, we kind of need something here. We need some monies here. We need something to did they sell on the OTC home markets? I on the market somehow. All right, so ooh, look at these monies come through here, right? Again, like look at Dogecoin go here, guys, right? Dogecoin, come on, Doge, right? And you want to see what Bitcoin is doing? Bitcoin is also thrusting. Well, that's a small time frame, but you see what's happening here, though, right? We're trying to break out again. We are sitting at support, so there's no shorting here, right? And also now we're fighting against that downtrend. So see if we can break out here, right? So again, look at these boom booms, right? On the can you see that? No, you can't. It's not quite yet. So that's Bitcoin bouncing. That's Matic thrusting, right? So Matic is thrusting. Yeah, I should have went long for sure. Gary would be very proud, and I would be very happy that Gary was proud. Um, anyways, yeah, Nomadic looks good there. Bitcoin looks good, right? Dogecoin going for a rally, right? So you want to see these bubbles on the 5 minute? No, they're still updating here. But anyways, you can see those. Why? Why are you guys fighting? Why are you guys fighting? Imagine what the chart getting sold, John. Yeah, I bet you they did that really smartly. I bet you like some of these sell-offs here below like 20K has been these guys, right? Um, you're like someone just sold $7 million worth of Bitcoin. You're like, yeah, that Elon, that's Big Daddy Elon. Someone just sold what? How much? 1 million every 5 seconds. Yeah, that's Elon. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. Hope maybe they sold it to Michael Saylor. Like, ooh, Michael, do you have $1 billion in cash sitting in the bank somewhere? You do? Okay, we need monies. We need monies. I don't know, just right. Anyways, yeah, some nice buy orders here coming in for Bitcoin, right? So, yeah, I think again, so I think it was just an overreaction. I think it's just people react to news, right? So before they calm down, it's just like when China says we're banning crypto, people panic like, oh my god, China is banning crypto. It's like, yeah, they've done it 100 times already. So leave it alone, right? People will always react initially to the news before they calm down, right? So, uh, ooh, uh, yeah. That's a problem. Yeah, exactly, Gary. Isn't that scary though? Like, isn't that does that concern you at all? Michael Saylor. If Michael Saylor ever sold Bitcoin like any bits, like I mean, like anything. If anybody ever caught like like any signs of Michael Saylor selling Bitcoin, like anything at all, crypto would have a problem. Like if Michael Saylor sold one Bitcoin, like point zero 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 one of a Bitcoin, people would run out the window. Uh, People would panic, right? So that dude can never sell. If silver sells, we sink. That dude can never sell Bitcoin. If he does, crypto, he's a believer. No, because he doesn't not short it. He's a believer. Gary, I um, okay, I am Gary. So like I just like I wanna have fun too. Just I don't know. Come on, keep going, please. Again, so Dogecoin is playing with that 7 cent level there, up and down, up and down, up and down. So, would be nice to actually see some thrust candles here for Dogecoin, right? Some thrust candles here. Mm-mm. What did those bubbles look like there? La 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 la. Is that Luna Classic? What's Luna Classic doing there? Yeah, Luna Classic is another one too. That runs off like we've had two sell-offs today, and we haven't recovered from either of them. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Like I see what you're saying, Jason. But then the other side is we also haven't really broken below any support though, right? Like those two sell-offs, right? We have not broken below support. That's the other side of the story, and that's what we are kind of talking about here for Bitcoin on the 30 minute, right? So you take a look at the 30 minute, you take a look at the hourly here, for example, right? Same, right? Kind of a bottom there, right? So two sell-offs, both of these sell-offs, right? Were holding the same level, right? So both of those sell-offs were holding that support. But we're still on a downtrend here. Like we're still on a downtrend here for the last few hours here, right? We're failing against these moving averages, right? So we're just in a weird spot, right? So again, that's why this arrow is there. Again, arrow pointing down. We're on a downtrend, but we're also holding support. So we're kind of stuck in the middle. Like it's like okay, which way do we go? Not quite sure. We're almost waiting for the chart to decide, right? So, and then if I take a look at, I'm going to go back to the 1 minute here, and then take a look at Matic. See what Matic looks like here on a bigger time frame. So on the hourly here for Matic is also at a nice dip again. So this was the whole reason for shorting Matic, right? So this was a whole thinking or a whole concern, right? So right there, we talked about this little box. Pizza? Yes, I'm married. Please and thank you. I'm married. Everyone is shouting. Everyone's shouting. Why are you guys shouting? Just kidding. Anyways, right? So that was an easier short there because you could get rid of that short as soon as you broke out of the box, right? So Matic kept failing at the same level, so that was a little bit easier, right? Because we had a clear level of resistance. This thing had its rally already, so you can kind of go with that, right? So and then we went to the abyss. I mean, these are aggressive red candles, right? So that played out really nicely. Now when you've crashed like that. I mean, it's you can kind of see again. Same thing with Bitcoin, right? The last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours we're holding that same level. It's been 7 hours already. Wow, it's been a long time. Well, let's say 5 hours here, right? The last 5 hours or so, we've been holding that support, right? So again, even though on a downtrend, we all kind of holding there. So that makes it a little bit more difficult, right? It makes it difficult for to get into a, like yeah. Again, this that's the same story here, right? You have a box. If you break out of that box to the upside, yeah, watch out above, right? It's thrusting, right? I see a bounce. You see a strong bounce here. You do, Hugh, yeah, right. So that's why yeah, you know what I mean. So again, if you break above the box, you're ready for thrusting. If you break below the box, you're ready for what? You're ready for disaster, right? Disaster. Yo, stewards. Good evening. Hey yo. Hey yo. It's not a crime to lie about not selling Doge. I honestly don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Again, someone made fun on Twitter saying, "Yeah, the Doge position is insignificant, so they probably forgot that they have a position in Dogecoin." But yeah, I still find it amazing though how like as soon as that news comes out, how people FOMO into Dogecoin though, right? Like FOMO. You know what I mean? So, la 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 la. Just got real. Oh yeah, it's about to be a fight in the chat. Peter, Stuart, Michelle. Mm-mm. It's gonna be fun to sit back and watch. Fights. I have some water, some buddy juice. I'm ready to watch. And you in the mix, and Gary in there, and Christy in there. You know it's about to be let's go. But yeah, anyways, so if you're just joining and you're wondering why we sold off earlier, right? Why crypto sold off earlier? It's because of this, right? So again, it's because so Tesla reported their earnings, and in there they had statements about yeah, we sold about 75% of our Bitcoin position, right? And then crypto had a frantic dip, an aggressive dip to the downside, right? So and then again, that's not concerning at all to me, not quite yet. Why? Because I mean, we're still holding above $23,000, right? So we sold off, but we're still holding support. If we start breaking below those levels and start creating some lower highs, that's a problem because we've clearly lost the momentum. The run is over, right? Maybe we dip now to 20K again before we recover. For now, right? You idiots. So you sell Bitcoin, everything else goes down, including your Doge. um, Gary, I think Peter, I think the most important thing for him though is saving Twitter, right? Saving Tesla, right? So again, that's the whole intention. We are selling Bitcoin because we want to provide liquidity for Tesla, right? So that's the most important thing. That's what's important to them, right? So and their Dogecoin position probably doesn't isn't the biggest, right? So so they really don't you know what I mean? So Doge, exactly right, exactly, Stuart. I should have done it a lot earlier, but we knew that was coming, right? When ADA rallies, when you're watching crypto and you have like everything rally, and then like Dogecoin, Shiba, ADA, these laggers are not moving. As soon as ADA rallies, every time ADA rallies last, you get ready for a dip. You start getting ready for a dip in the crypto space every time, like no joke. It's it's something that people watch quite closely. ADA, Link, Dots, right? Like if these things are lagging behind and crypto sitting at the top and these things rally to catch up, yeah, be careful. We're shooting to 30K Bitcoin, your boy. It's over. Right? Does everybody want to fight you, Michelle? Because um, anyways, Dogecoin is thrusting. I'm just kidding. I wish we could say that. But Doge is at 7 cents. We need to get back above 8 cents. We need to get back above 8 cents there. So, anyways, Peter says you idiots. All right. I like to like. I don't know. Elon is a. Oh, I keep wondering if Elon does makes I don't know if he sits back and like watch the reaction. Sometimes these guys must. I mean, to some degree, they must. I know they kind of adapt to like having that influence, and they don't really care anymore. They just make or they take advantage of it, right? So, but I like to see Elon maybe like watch some of these tweets. Like I put out the tweets. What did it do? Right? Yeah. Doesn't fight with Michelle Gary. Yeah. I don't. I'm not gonna say anything. No, I was gonna say something, but that's not a. um, la 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 la. No, I was gonna say I don't fight with Michelle. I don't fight with Michelle. I It's mostly Peter and Stuart. Mostly. Elon, oh, Casper the ghost. Oh, oh, you guys saw that picture of Elon? Elon on the beach. Uh, yeah. Elon on the beach. He looked like a ghost. That's because he's in the always in a suit though. Probably in a meeting. In meetings all day, every day, right? So, uh, my retweet an official. Okay, cool. Shada. So another 800 really musty, or are they actually like liquidating, really like liquidating to zero? Musty, maybe they are. There's a lot of Bitcoin sales actually. People might just be taking advantage of this, right? They're like, "Ooh, cool." Um, like interesting, interesting. Yeah, people might just be taking advantage of the recent rally, right? And just selling again. What was this? Was it another boat trap? Yeah, probably. Work from home. Great for Tan. Yeah, he needs to sit outside a little bit more. That's what he needs to do. Or go back home to South Africa he needs to go back home for a week or so and get a tan on. That's what he needs to do. I'd like to see a rally tonight, but I don't think we will get anything, right? So I don't think there's a yeah, I don't think we get anything here. I think we might just wait for the market to open up tomorrow and see what the reaction is with Tesla, and then go from there. Again, Doge is just following Dogecoin is just following Bitcoin for now, right? There's nothing special there yet. Again, it needs a catalyst, right? Yeah, that's because he always goes at night. Yeah. YouTube. Uh, cool. Ooh. Ooh, you know who's playing now? Stuart. Chelsea's playing. And Christy, Gary, all you soccer fans. Chelsea's playing. Cool. And also Man City's playing. Ooh, Hmm. Chelsea has a lot of defenders. Chelsea who? Chelsea like Chelsea Chelsea. Like yeah, the Chelsea who? Oh, they're playing against I think they're playing in the states. They're playing against like Charlotte. The soccer team. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, Peter. Yes, 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 yes. or what? Yes, Peter. Yeah, they're playing in the states. They're winning. It's funny how the Americans scored. So now the state's going wild. Wild. They're like, oh. Then Manchester City is playing against Club America. Club America. Cool. Club America. La la la. Hmm. Interesting. But said it. No, I doesn't really sound American. He doesn't, must he? Oh, okay. Yeah, probably because he's been all around the place, and Big Upper, heyo. Tesla sold BTC at a loss to gain potential tax write-offs in order to offset some of the business gains. Um, I mean, there are a lot of possibilities. Yeah, there are a lot of possibilities. Honestly, you know, there are a lot of possibilities at Big Kappa. I think for the most part, we're just speculating and having fun with this. The plan being a buyback at a lower price. Yeah, exactly right. So there are a lot of possibilities with with like what the true intentions are with like Tesla selling Bitcoin. We just don't like never know. Elon is always like 100 steps ahead with football. I always called it football. If I didn't live in Canada, I'd be called football everywhere else except for like the states in Canada. You know what I mean? So it's probably his great grandfather's probably American. Yeah. Oh, the name. Yeah. No, but that's. I mean, like the states is full of like like uh same thing with like Canada. Most people like move to these countries, right, from other places, and then build a family because of the American dream or whatnot, right? So, you know, egg ball versus football. Egg ball. Oi. Na 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 na. Na. Football. Ooh, what's that? Yeah, no, crypto looks like it wants to thrust, right? I just wanted to go ready. Like, let's get going here. Um, let's get a move on. It's funny because the foot is used maybe 1% of the time. Yeah, Peter, I don't I don't know. Yeah. How long has football been around though? Like it's been around for a long time, right? A long, long time. So, um, let me see here. When did football? Uh, la. There you go. American football evolved in the United States, originating from the sports of soccer and rugby. Look at that, copycats. American football evolved in the United States, originating from the sports of soccer and rugby. The American football match was played in the first American was played in 1869 between two college teams, Rutgers and Princeton. Okay, using rules based on the rules of soccer at the time. Criminals, 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 criminals. Huh? They stole it. They stole it. Rubbish. Stole it, played with the same rules as soccer, and then they said, "Oh nope, we're taking the name," and then probably evolved to like from Scotland. Uploading together. I just found another one selling 20K BTC. It's funny how like it's funny how much like like what do I want to call this here, liquidity absorption power, because you're selling all that much and it barely does anything, you know what I mean? Like cool, we're getting some nice dips here, but we're still above $23,000, right? So you like Galatasaray? Yeah, I watched them only when they're in the Champions League. Aggies in the Victorian streets. Aggies. Aggies, is that where he knows it. He knows it. Haggis. Yeah. No, American football is it's nice to watch. It's intense. I mean, again, I think like both I think both worlds have just like coexisted. We you can call it soccer is the same thing. It's doesn't really matter, right? So tomato tomato. We enjoy watching soccer. You enjoy watching football, right? We work. We work. Went from 20 to 24, Musty. Would you take profits? Yeah. Uh, Aggies into this. Let's not get Aggies. Michelle is gonna roast Maggie's. Uh, Long term, yeah. No, exactly. It's understandable. Yeah. It's understandable for people to take profits, especially like when especially when like people kind of like look at the economy and they're like, there's still a lot of negatives, right? Out there. Some of these banks are still calling for retracements. Yeah, some folks want to hold it to zero. uh, Jumped and it got kicked down the streets. Yep. before each other. Oh no, they know, they know, Musty. They know. I'm sure they're in constant. But again, like what I'm impressed about is the fact that we're still holding above $23,000. It's not like we're hitting highs. Like we're creating lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. All right. So I'm not overly concerned about like Bitcoin with all that selling and Elon's news and all that stuff, right? So not concerned yet. Again, if we break below 23 and we start going for some lower numbers there, yeah, problems, right? So market makers, yeah, probably some of these brokers trying to get some monies back, Musty. They're like, ooh, we need monies, we need monies, we need monies. um what's that, Bitcoin? Yeah, 2023, 300 basically. Okay. Hmm. Come on, Matic, let's get a rally, let's get a rally going here. We need Bitcoin back above 24, guys, tonight. We need to push for $28,000 before we start playing games here. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Taking profits more aggressively next bull run, Hugh. Stewart, yeah. No, I bet you a lot of people will. Right? People learn from their mistakes. They're like, ooh, well, I held crypto and I wanted to be a diamond hand. I never made any monies, so at this time, keep my money. Come on, I will roast you like a goat. No, we're thrusting a little bit here, right? Again, look at Matic go. Go, 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 right? So Bitcoin again, Bitcoin looks okay. It's trying. But Matic looks ready to for revenge. Matic looks ready for revenge. It wants to go here. Matic, you can do it. You can do it. Market psychology will never change. Yeah, I get that, Roger. Right. So it's hard. It's hard when the market is exploding. Like when the market rallies, people feel like euphoria. They're like, "Ooh, the market will never stop, never stop." Right? Again, market psychology is huge, right? So we will never stop. We keep going. Like when Bitcoin was sitting at $69,000, did anybody think about like the conversation was just describe my trading strategy, Gary? Yeah, right. So when the market was rallying, when Bitcoin was sitting at $69,000, the conversation was when $100,000, when $100,000, when, right? So, and then when Bitcoin is crashing now, we're sitting at 20K. The conversation is when $10,000, when 11, when 15, right? So it's always like it's always hard for people to like look outside, of the craziness. But you just have to kind of learn and the current rates. Imagine, yeah, people to become more educated at time and utilize that. Yeah, 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 yeah. No, but FOMO was fun though. FOMO was fun. That's why we see these prices so high, right? So if people were reasonable and they took profits, we would have limited squeezes, right? Squeezes. So must be waking up now. When they see this dump, they will. They're going to sell. Mm, what time is it? People waking up now. This is when Jason says, "Come on, wake up, Asia! Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up!" For sure, FOMO will always exist. Yeah, it's hard to and you find the levels. Yeah, tone down the hype, and you find the levels. Yeah, Gary, exactly. And it's hard when Bitcoin is sitting at $69,000, and El Salvador is buying, and all these countries are accepting Bitcoin, and analysts are calling for 100K. Kathy Woods calling for 100 for $1 million. All of these guys calling for 100K at the end of the year. You get blinded a little bit, right? You get blinded. You get blinded. You're like, oh lords, I want to sell at 70K. I want to sell at resistance. But 200. Yeah. You know what, Peter? If you do that, you just get out on the streets and start walking naked. Let the cops arrest you. That's the least of your problems. Maybe then you get some exposure, and someone can help you with unlocking your wallets. Um, you know what I mean? So This is oh yeah, the very close to the same one shoe hue. Just start walking. I mean, if you lost your keys for 250,000 BTC, mm-mm. Nope, nope. um, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. You guys ever think of like the next like industry? Well, crypto is still fairly new, right? So we've had crypto, we've had NFTs. What's next is the question. What's next? Seen someone unlocking a wallet on YouTube. Took 3 days. There you go, right, Peter? Yeah, I'm sure. Again, I've heard of people doing it. So I've heard of people doing it. There's actually a firm that does it. Unlocks your crypto wallet based on like algorithms and potential passwords that you might have like thought of, or I don't know, something weird. And then you have to pay them like 10% or something. Very handsomely for that. Yeah, there you go. Lost crypto is bullish for the space. Yeah, let's sell, let's supply. Hmm. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be that person though. Would not want to be that person that loses out on that. Has 1 million BTC, which estimates eliminates from that 21 million supply. Okay, yeah. La 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 la. Dead by 2025. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. That's who's the just for environmental reasons, Roger. Proof of work. Yeah, I saw that. Vote Inu. I know there was a fight about. I know there was a fight around that steward between and then like two families fighting over that initial creation of Bitcoin and the wallet and whatnot. And someone says, "Oh, I am Satoshi," and someone says, "I don't know." I don't know. Is available in 2030. It will be able to hack current wallets. Scary. Yeah. It was Bolts Inu. No, Bolts is just Bolts. Volts is another project. There's a lot of rubbish. There's a lot of rubbish out there. Um, as Bitcoin rallies, as crypto rallies, you're gonna see a lot of rubbish from this Inu to that Inu to this Inu. Rock poles everywhere. He was an absolute joker. Oh, he was Stewart. Okay, okay, okay. Has been yeah. You guys heard the story about like I think Peter brought this up a while ago. Maybe was it Peter? I don't not sure. But the person that like this was in a different country, right? Uh, they had the wallet and they threw away like the something in the trash, um, like a big dump yard or something, and they were trying to go back and find it, and they wouldn't let them in the dump yard or something. I'm sure someone has a better understanding of the story. And they're like, nope, we're not gonna let you in. If you make a rug pull Inu, people would buy it. Rug pull Inu up 3,000% in 24 hours. Oh, that's what it was. That was in England. Oh lords, that was in England. His wife chucked it out. Oh lords. Oh lordy lordy. Uh, hard drive. In a dip with loads of BTC. Damn. Oi. Offer the dump company 50% of the of to find it. Did they ever find it? Like anything else come out of that story? Anything? That's funny. Uh, oh, I would offer them. Oh, That's crazy. Anyways, what's Dogecoin doing here? Nothing. 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 Doge. Never recovered. Yeah. Never. Ever. Ever. Why? I wonder how long was on in there. Never started the process. Dumb company didn't want to risk it. No guarantee. On finding it. Okay. Why not? Is the question. Like, why would they say no? Probably because they're like, this is our dump yards. We don't have to give you 50%. How about we keep it all? They're like, yeah, yeah. I mean, we could give you 50%, but this is all land. This is our company. This is stay home. Don't come here, please. As Manis, if you advertise well enough and get listed on a bit more, yeah, Roger, yeah, she better be divorced now, probably. Does anyone know if Trust Wallet get often easily gets hacked often? I've never heard of like Trust Wallet getting hacked compared to exchanges. I've never heard of Trust Wallet getting hacked. So I would sleep in front of the door uh, because of health and safety. This is the UK. Oh, really? Like health and safety would like say no. We don't want to go looking. What's if this was an African country, the question would be what's health and safety? Health? What's that? Safety? Rubbish. Uh, oi. When your trust wallet is open, only if you give all your phrases. Oh, okay, there you go. Trust wallet is just need to be careful of phishing scams. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I've never heard of trust wallet getting hacked. So lose us, weep us, find us, keep us, Maurice. Yep, that's exactly what they said. Um, lose us, weepers, find us, keepers. Uh, that's funny. Turn the music up. Come on. I just trust each time, trust wallet. Yeah, it's what you're thinking about, Musty. Uh, yeah, Roger. Yeah. Oh, wait. That'd be Doggy Wall. There you go. Yeah. Again, you should be up. Never heard of Trust Wallet having issues. It's most of the time it's these exchanges, right? These brokers. Ooh, what's happening here? Someone what's happening? What's with all these transactions here? All these transactions. What's Bitcoin doing here, by the way? We're selling off, yeah, a little bit. A little bit of a sell off here, right? That's why you're having those massive blocks of sales come through there. Oh wow, yeah, we are selling off here. Oh, yeah, Matic is a fat red candle there for Matic. These are some aggressive dips. Wow, and Dogecoin is also following here, right? Doge is like, we're going down. Okay, I get it. I get it. Asia is selling. Asia is waking up. Asia is waking up. They're like, what? Elon did what? He did what? He did what? He's selling? Okay, well, no, don't need to tell me twice. Um, yeah, we were just getting some massive blocks here, right? Someone sells 1 million, someone sells, just some big blocks of selling here. A lot of selling. Not touch anything that looks, yeah, dodgy. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Why aren't they buying the dip? Who? What dip? I don't know if I would even call this a dip. No. Is Stewart buying the dip? Dramatic? Let's go, Rowdy. Wow. And airdrops, receiving scam airdrops. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Do people even get scammed these days now, like in crypto? Like, do people even get their wallets hacked anymore? Like when crypto was hot, right? You know, these articles came out every day, like, oh, this person got hacked, this person got hacked, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Now nobody cares. So like, well, look at that, right? So nobody cares anymore. They're like, yeah, you know what? Thank you for relieving my stress. You can have it. There's nothing left in there anymore. Anyways, take it. No, just kidding. Here we go. Getting some buys there. Anything? Everyone wants fiat now. I mean, even Elon Musk. Like, you know what? Take it. Take it. You want me to report it? Why? Just take it. I'll go claim my losses on my taxes, please, and thank you. Michelle, you must sell his cats. No, Musty made money today, so the cats can never. There you go. No need. Okay, Gary. Okay, there you go. There you go. It's called dusting. Dusting. Dusting your wallets. You know when you get destroyed in soccer, someone says you just got dusted. Yeah, that's what happens. Dusting. Mhm. Unbelievable. Yeah. She says cats have to go. I'll leave her. What if she's what if she's Musty? What if she's like your sugar mama or something? Um, it's the most common hack now, especially in NFTs. Gary. Okay. Some nice buys coming in here for Bitcoin now. Right, a little bit of a bounce there of support. Wow, Matic really dropped. Really dropped there. Damn. Matic is volatile here lately. From 84 all the way down to 82.7. Wow. Some of these candles are just scary. Scary. Yeah, see if we can get a bounce here. What's the top gainer here? What's that? Whoa. Um, Interesting. Yeah, everything's mostly red here. Mostly red. I was just wondering if there's anything that's outperforming this sell off here, right? It's always nice to watch those. Some of these projects that will do the opposite of a sell off. Um, all right, so let me take a look at Luna Classic actually. Shiba is most likely selling off with everything else too. What's Luna C doing here? Is it bouncing? Well, it's not really doing much, right? It looks very similar, not to the same degree, but yeah, it's not doing much here. When it's holding support, right? Kind of has a little bit of support at this level, just above 10, which is fair, right? So, but it's not really doing much. And this is another one that's really nice to play when there's a catalyst, just like Doge, Shiba, all of these smaller ones. But it's not doing much here, not at all, not much. You lost connection, Stuart. Were you visiting Canada or something? Getting some. See Gary. Have a wonderful night. Get some rest. We'll see you. See you tomorrow, Gary. See you tomorrow. It's 4 a.m. Wow. You guys stay up. You guys stay up late. Late, late, late. Super, super late. That's okay. Well, you guys are looking for bunnies. Clement says, "What's the best coin to buy now?" Everything looks sus. Jason, yeah. Clement, I don't think you get an answer like that. I don't think you get an answer from anybody in the chat, but we're gonna ask this question anyways. Maddox, there you go. So some question for you guys in the chat, guys. Let's say Clemens is asking, right? What's the best coin to buy now? What would you say it is? What would you say the best coin to buy is? Again, I don't know what I would tell you honestly, because I don't think it's that simple, right? So, but if you had to give a name, like if someone said, "Yeah, what's the best coin to buy?" Would do you have an idea, or just mm, what's the best coin to buy now? Plus, I don't think again. I think we've rallied aggressively in the last week, so I don't think anything is sitting at a level that is, like beautiful, beautiful, right? So, you missed a few risky trades. Yeah, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Okay, there you go. XRP long term. Okay, there you go. XRP. There you go. There's so many questions, right, Roger? So many questions. So many questions to ask. Are you looking for a quick gain? Are you holding forever? Are you like, 2000%, Roger? 2000%. If you're looking for 2000%, just buy. What are you buying, Hugh? Or buying, what's the name of that coin again? I can't remember now. Oh no, Hugh, that's not true. You've been a criminal for the last few weeks now. So you have yeah, that's what it was called. Yeah. Hey yo, Paul Saint Pierre, Paul Saint Pierre. Um, how are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you again. If you're just joining, we just wanted to come on and kind of hang out and talk about this Elon position, well, this Tesla position, right? So they sold 75% of the Bitcoin, amounting to $936 million, right? And there's been speculation about someone said earlier phase one, right? Complaining about Bitcoin not being clean enough. Phase two, dump it. Phase three, Dogecoin becomes the key, right? So I don't think I don't believe that, not for a second. But just wanted to entertain the the craziness. So yeah, again, we talked about all of this, right? So if you have any questions, let me know. Just ask, and then yeah, we can go from there. Start your own project, push it. Start your own project. The time to do that, Roger, that was last was the time to do that was like back in the day, Roger. Do you guys see Bitcoin going under 23 again tonight? It's a possibility, but again, you take a look at the bigger time frame here, like the hourly or the 30-minute or the. Let's take a look at the 15, right? We've done a really good job of holding that level. It does look bearish, right? We've been trending down here for a while now, since we 24.25, right? We've been trending below, lower, lower, lower. But the last two dips here, we felt above that 23, or like break below and right back above, right? So it's done a good job of holding that level. So I would just honestly watch and see what happens, right? It's powered by the sun. I can't thrust Inu. Thrust Inu, I'm in. You son of a bee. My coin, you son of a bee, I'm in. I got when the price goes lower, Stuart. So you're telling me to short it? Or what are you saying? Like 8 a.m. for US, yeah. Join an NFT community and promote it. Those NFT communities are Kevin De Bruyne scored twice against Stewart against Club America. Club America. Interesting. Hmm. Why wouldn't he play like? Why isn't Holland playing? Is my question. Why not? That pays royalties. Hmm. I feel dips are coming and lows will be tested. Yeah, I just hope we get a nice little rally there, Stuart, into like 20 something, high, a little bit higher, so we can look for some more short positions and then ride it back down and then ride it back up. You know what I mean? Um, Send it higher, higher, higher. That's thrusted. Bitcoin to 25, 28. Just kidding. We'll go down to 22.5 probably. If we break below 23 again, I think yeah we get a nice little dip tonight. Carbon credits, carbon credits, right? So let's see. Yeah, I wouldn't mind a matic thrust. I know Jason is you're probably short, right, Jason? But I wouldn't mind like a little bit of like thrusting tonight for Bitcoin. A little bit of thrusting. Can someone just no? Yeah, no, we'll see you again. For now, we look okay, and I'm okay with that. Um, yeah, Doge is just dead for now until it gets a catalyst. We all would like a little bit of a tonight virus. um, hoping you thrust, Michelle. Um, yeah, I mean, like I'd like for a little crypto rally. Like some nice boom booms. Run into tomorrow morning actually. If we can pump till the you know pump up and then into the morning here. Again, Bitcoin looks okay. We're back. We're almost back to 23,300 here, right? So we're probably gonna struggle at this 200 EMA there for Bitcoin, but that's okay, right? Matic is back above 84 cents, so that's a nice recovery as well. Having some buy orders come through, right? So tomorrow market is right. Bitcoin goes down to 22 more, maybe to 22. Yeah, no, that's why I kind of wanted to rally tonight, Bonnie, and then we can have it do its thing tomorrow. Yeah. Your thoughts? No, Spidey. Jason, look at that. Someone just bought $1.2 million worth of Bitcoin. Well, leverage accounts, whatever, whatever, right? Your faults, no Spidey. Let's see here. Yeah, we're trying to get back to 23,300 there. So we're just bouncing in a range for now, honestly. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Not really going anywhere. That's a good thing. It's also not a good thing, right? So we'll see which way it breaks here as the night goes on. See which way it breaks. Virus, you're a criminal. You're an absolute criminal, Virus. Wow, 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 wow. That's a pretty funny comeback. Hey yo, Ben, how are you? Find your shoe. That works. I need some. Are you? You need some? Okay. Um, like Michelle says, I don't know. Wow. Oh wow. Wow. Hmm. Sell it at exactly, Jason. Exactly. And they've made a lot of money, right? Like crazy, crazy, crazy. I mean, is that really a question? They got right into what? Uh, Bitcoin experiments. Wouldn't that company have to sell the Bitcoin to restock the shelves eventually, Kirk? Yeah. What most of these companies do, they try and collect it because, I mean, like, some of these companies have a lot of like cash reserves anyways, and they can survive for a long time. I mean, it's like 10%, right? Or 2%, 1% of the sales are going to be Bitcoin. So they're hoping they can do that and have the value go up, right? Almost like they're investing, right? But yeah, so they're just. Ooh, uh, Musty's interrogating. Uh, yeah, asking for monies. You see the price of Bitcoin? No, no. You see how everything is crashed to the abyss? Yeah, Roger. Yeah, to sell for profit. What everybody is. Yeah, exactly, Kirk. Yeah. Somebody send me some too. Send us some money, please. We need money. So we're here watching crypto go down. Um, watching all the monies go down. So please, some monies. Um, monies. Come, Diamond says, "Come join us in Discord." Diamond, don't forget to smash a like, guys. If you haven't already, smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, just click the link that Diamond shared at the bottom and become a member and join us in Discord. Right? Metaverse is still a thing. Yeah, it is. Right. So, and some of these metaverse players will run on their own sometimes, especially if Bitcoin really isn't going to the abyss. So, it's nice to see. Like, it's it's to dip to rip, dip to rip. Yeah, exactly, correct. Exactly. Dipping creates opportunities for ripping. Michelle, be quiet. I get your mind out of the um party and charge monies. Yeah, Roger. I'm sure once this thing's actually, and that's why I think Facebook is gonna do well with it. Honestly, Roger, I'm sure they're gonna find a way to monetize it, right? Mana's gonna do well. Sandbox, I don't know. Sandbox does well because they have the big investors. They're more of like a gaming type of thing. Mana's like the everything else, right? Like yeah, Mana is what you think about when you think of metaverse. What? Oh no 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 no. Is this a memo? No, 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 Diamond. It was because of the. It's because of the. It's because of the comment that was above yours. No, always, Diamond. Thank you very much. It's just because of the comment that was above yours. Someone, that person asked for monies, Diamond, and you and then you posted the link like, "Come join us in Discord." No, that was just funny. Been buying real estate on this Earth for metaverse. How it's going to pan out. Not a very big investment, Kirk. Okay, sounds good. Under the bridge wearing could have had two shoes the whole time, Hugh. No, there's no money, Hugh. I promise. That you back, Stuart? What's wrong with your Wi-Fi? Wow, you're having a hard time tonight. No, no. What's still gonna be here if we make millions? Um, we're not all here begging for monies, you know. Um, ooh, we're getting a little bit of a thrust here. A little bit of a thrust. Come on, BTC. Oh yeah, we're getting some buy orders come through here. Wow, that was a nice pump actually. Nice little pump there. 23,300. Wow. Oh yeah, Bitcoin is sending it there. Look at these buys. It's in the price of gas and cookies. Exactly, that man. I'm sitting outside McDonald's. You are? You are, Stuart? I mean, you have to do what you have to do, you know? Sometimes that McDonald's Wi-Fi is, it does the business. Cookies and gas prices. That's what she said. Yeah. Oh, Michelle. Oh, Michelle. Michelle. You gonna? Is that a water bottle, Michelle? Is that a water bottle super chat? Super sticker? Thank you, Prices. Can't see eating a bird seed or king. You can't see me eating bird food, like bird seeds. You're asking for monies as I'm eating bird seeds. Kidding? Kidding me? Bird seeds. Let's go, Michelle. Come on now. And what? And thrust. It's a salt shaker. That's what it is. Salt shaker. Oh, someone. Okay, cool. Um, Michelle, thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Always. Thank you. Thank you. Much love. It's a salt shaker. Killed me with that with the cookies. Let's go. And what? Oh no, you guys are gonna make oh no no comeback. We're gonna be thrusting by the end of the night. Virus, come on now. Is the monies. Super sticker? What type of super sticker is this? Let me see. Some of these super stickers are nice. What's it? Is is that an orange? Is that an orange? Super sticker? Stewards virus. Come on, thank you very much for the super sticker, virus. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Thank you very much, virus. Really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Ooh, someone's about $1 million. It's a peach. Oh, okay. Let's go. Michelle is making it rain tonight, guys. We're gonna be thrusting. You know what? Where the beats here, Michelle? Where the beats? Where the beats? We go at night. Michelle's sending us at night. Make it rain. Make it rain, Michelle. I will. Where's the beats? Oh yeah. Oh, Michelle, what's happening? Are you glitched? Like, did your account freeze? Michelle's making it rain, guys. It's party time. It's look at Bitcoin go. Look at these monies coming for Bitcoin. To the left and thrust. To the right and thrust. We're at the club now, Michelle. Come on. Are you high? Come on. Diamond with the super sticker, guys. Let's go, Diamond. What type of super sticker is this? I don't even know. Oh yeah, I hear you. Let's go, Diamond. Uh, wait for it. Michelle's wait for it. A banana, Michelle. A banana. A banana to the left and thrust to the right. Come on now. Get naked. Come on. Take the pants off. Take the shorts off. Take everything off. We go to the sun at night. Come on. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Where's Spider-Man here? And go go. Go go. Go go. Go go. Go go. Go go. To the and thrust. To the and thrust. And thrust. That song, I was in a short. Sorry, Jason. Sorry. Here with the super sticker. Come on. Thank you very much, Hugh. Really appreciate that. Hugh says, "It's the vibes, Hugh. It's the vibes. Vibes. You guys, envy, let's go. No, the song is coming back. The song is coming back. We have to do this. Play it again, please. Play it again. Run it back. Make it rain. Let me see what that super sticker is. Oh, it's a hot dog. It's a hot dog. Oh lordy virus. It's a hot dog. Go go. Go go. Go go. It's a hot dog. It's a banana. It's a what? It's a peach. You guys are not serious, are you? Not serious. To the left and thrust. To the right and thrust. When Lambo, when Dogecoin, a la Luna. Never. I'm just kidding. Go. Put that video up I sent you. No sound. Ooh. But that would be I'll find it, Diamond. Find it and put it up. I'm not sure what it would like sound like without the sound. Let's go, Michelle. Michelle, your bank is gonna call you. You know that, right? Oh, that's the cat for Musty. Oh, this super sticker for Musty. There you go. Cat for Musty, guys. And what? And thrust. And thrust. And thrust. Go. Go go. Go go. Go go. Go go. You're thrusting too, Marco. Let's go, Marco. It's good to see you always. To the left and thrust. To the right and thrust. Put those hands on the get on the floor, please. And thrust. And thrust. And thrust. And thrust. To the left and thrust. To the window and thrust. To the wall and thrust. When and thrust. Come on. And thrust. Go. Go go. Let's go. Stop having fun. I need to go to bed. It's Michelle's fault. Michelle started it. She started it. Oh, I hate that song. I hate. But I always just let it play. But get rid of Spider-Man here. Spider-Man.
Bottom.
Oi. How do I get rid of that? Okay, there we go. No, more super stickers, guys. From the song comes back. Uh-oh. We're gonna be thrusting here. Where's that song? Let's go. We have a super sticker from Virus. Virus says coming soon. And Hugh says monies. Let's go, Hugh. Monies. Let's go. Come on. To the wall. Come on. Double bottom. Double bottoms. We're not going to bed tonight, are we? We're gonna be thrusting. Is that a doge? That's a Doge virus. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Thank you for the super sticker, guys. The super stickers. Thank you. It's fun. Really appreciate it. No joke. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. What the hell? You are stopping? Come on. The party is not stopping tonight. To the and thrust. To the and thrust. Come on. Let's go. Big monies. Go go. Big go go. To the and thrust. Come on. Go go. And what? And thrust. Look at these. Bitcoin is absolutely well, we dipped a bit there. So Jason, you're happy now, aren't you? To the come on. Let me see. Virus with another super sticker. Contact? Eye contact, please and thank you. I don't want to know what virus is doing right now. Let's go. Virus is hype, hype, hype. And thrust. To the and thrust. Virus to the window, to the wall. Let the beat drop. Come on, let's thrust. Let's hype. We're at the club, guys. We're at the club tonight. We're at the Dogecoin club. Dogecoin is supposed to be rallying. It's not, so we have fun on our own. Musty says fine. Oh yeah, I'm going to bed. Musty, have a wonderful night. I will. We'll see you tomorrow. Think, hold on while you add the payment info. Kirk is coming, guys. Kirk says, I'm figuring out this payment stuff. I'm coming. Let's go, Kirk. We're waiting for you. Wait, please hold the song for some time. You shorted AVAX? Okay, sounds good. We need a thrust compilation in public. Yeah, we do. We do. I know Virus has a few. Michelle must have a ton. Hugh? Yep. Stewart? Oh yeah, for sure. Devin? That's not even a question. I'm almost sweating here. Like I'm sweating a little bit from all this thrusting. Said sing a song? Sing a song. What song can I sing? Can I sing what song can I sing? Um what song can I sing? I don't know honestly. What does she want? What does she want? Song request. I'm taking song request. Or I will start singing some Michael Jackson. You've been hit by smooth criminal. Talana talana. I went to jail in the process of making mine. I'm probably not allowed schools or playgrounds anymore. Oi, what did you do? Bitcoin is dipping here aggressively, which is little bits of a look at these dips here. Wow, Bitcoin. Wow. What's Matic doing? Matic is also going to the abyss. We'll see what crypto does tonight. Let's go, Hugh. This song is back. Let's go. Nightfall. You guys remember those super chat, super sticker super chat pumps? They're back tonight, aren't they? Hugh, thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Much love. Let's go. Come on. Put those hands up in the air, please, and thank you. Tonight, we go. At night. And thrust. Come on. Put those hands up in the air. Let's go. And if you're feeling funky, get on the floor, please, and thank you. Thank you very much, you. Let me see what that super sticker is. Actually, it is it's like a Shiba smiling. Level up. Let's go, Roger, with the super sticker as well. Let's go, Roger. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that, Roger. Thank you, thank you. Let's go, go. Hey, what? Making what are we making? Tesh loads. Go. To the go. To the go. People are thinking if Elon sells, maybe it's time to sell. Yeah, probably. Exactly, Jason. Right? Go. Let the go. We go to the sun at night. Go. Is it a party for Crypto Crash Moneymaker? It's a party for because we're here together and we're having fun. So we're just having a party, just having a party. Whether crypto crashes or not, we celebrate life. You know what I mean? Let's go, Kirk got it, guys. Kirk, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. Kirk says, "Hey you, come on, Kirk. Thank you very much. Thank you for the support always. Thank you. The song comes back for Kirk. Oh, we're gonna be thrusting all night tonight. Hopefully you guys are doing some questionable things with the thrusting. Let me find that video actually as we're going here. Diamond. Without nightfall. Let's see here, and then I'm gonna mute it. Diamond. What is this? Did you send me this? Come on! I have not seen this. I have not seen this yet. Oh lordy, 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 lordy! I haven't seen that yet. The ending was wild. Come on now, unbelievable. This is the first time I'm seeing that. That fits perfectly, actually. That works. Damn it, that works. That's what it is, Stuart. Oh no, this is the first time I'm seeing it. That's pretty funny. It works really well with the beats. To the left and thrust. To the right and slide and spin. When lambo. Come on. To the go. To the window. To the wall. Let's go. There you go, guys. And yeah, we're still dipping though, but we had a lot of fun. Dude, to the floor. He did, Diamond. He did at the very end. Play the video again for Stuart. It's coming. The beats come back. Let's go. Again, thank you guys very much for the super stickers tonight. Thank you very much, Virus. Are you ready? 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 Shake. Shorts. Eh, eh, eh. Let's go. To the left and to the right. Come on. That guy is no jokes. He's serious. Very serious. Look at that. Unbelievable. Barry says, Stuart, enjoy. That's pretty funny. That's perfect. I had no idea you sent me this one, Diamond. Yeah, Doge is dipping as everything else dips down. Right? What's Bitcoin out here now? Oh yeah, Bitcoin fell off. Bitcoin is almost below $23,000 here now. Matic is at 83, below 83 actually. Wow, these sell-offs are aggressive. Wow. Aggressive. To the left, to the right, and thrust. Come on. To the left, to the right, and thrust. Yeah? Go. Where's that video? Go. To the end. To the end. Let's go. Come on. It's not fun without the beats, though. I'm gonna look at that lady's face. Look at that lady's face. What do you think of Butcher of Wall Street? Please check out. Okay. Look at that lady's face. Oi. Terrified. Unbelievable. Um, oh, yeah, that's funny. No, that's fun. Thank you very much. That was a lot of fun. See if we can bounce up 23 again, which we are. We're bouncing up the same level over and over and over for Bitcoin. $23,000 over and over and over and over again. So it's good for now. We're still in that range. If we break below and close below that level, and then be careful for the night, right? Totally worth it. Oh yeah, it really is. That was fun. No, I had a lot of fun just watching that stuff and thrusting with you guys. She was adjusted, disgusted. Yeah, she was. It's like, what is that? What is that? No, thank you. Thank you all very much. Thank you, Damien. Thank you, Virus. Thank you all. Really appreciate that. Let's see. Oh yeah, Bitcoin is bouncing there nicely. So see if we can keep bouncing. La 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 la. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys. If you haven't already, smash the like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, you are a useless goat. I'm just kidding. Yeah, smash the like if you haven't already. That's the perfect video. Yeah. I'll give it a day or so and see if we get in any trouble from that video. We shouldn't, right? And if we don't, we're gonna play this video. We're gonna use this video a lot. If we don't get in trouble, so we'll see. I should know in the next like hour or so. um, that's funny, unbelievable. Let's go, Diamond. Let's go, Virus. Come on now. Has all the questionable qualities we need. It has everything we need, and it's very short. Gets to the point. We thrust. What time is it here? Okay, cool. Made for this channel. It is. It really is. It really is. It really, really is. No, that video is perfection. La, 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 la. Perfect. No, hopefully you guys had a little bit of fun as well tonight, and yeah, that's the whole point of some of these quiet night streams, so we can just come on and hang out and have a little bit of fun, right? So it's a yeah. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we can hop off in a second and hang out in Discord or whatnot. But yeah, let me know. Let me know. When comes on, watch your camera turn off. Oh, you know what's gonna happen. Says nah nah nah. She said or Mindy will turn her camera off right away. Like what are you guys doing? I don't want to be a part of this. She will. Like that's the name of the song, Tesh? That's what Marianne wants. Is that the name of the song? Oi. Mindy will love it. Mindy will I don't know. I don't know, but Stuart. I don't know. I bet your camera would go off, but Stuart. Making a great night, all yeah, guys. So thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much for hanging. It was fun, a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun with this, right? Nothing happened, but as usual, we always have fun, anyways. Thank you very much, Diamond. Thank you all very much. Really appreciate you guys more than you know. So yeah, Stuart, thank you very much. Virus, thank you very much. Tesh, you criminal, thank you very much. Hugh, thank you very much. Michelle, you useless goats, thank you very much. John, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Jason, thank you very much. thank you all very much, Kurt. Thank you very much. All right, so really, thank you very much. Yeah, Christy, thank you very much. And Hangout voice, oh, we'll see, we'll see. I just have to call someone and then get a quick snack. Thank you very much. Um, Crystal, have a wonderful night. See you guys all in Discords. Have a wonderful evening, guys. And we'll talk later. Alrighty, see you guys in the next stream and in Discord. Bye, all. Bye, guys. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night. Good night.